This is the 515 project, BM2624, installed on a single family home. See the air pump housing, been operating about 18 months in a 2-compartment concrete tank. Has a solid monolithic baffle wall with a 4-inch opening between the 2 compartments. Do a grab sample in the treatment end of the tank. And we'll compare that with the trash tank end. When we look in the trash tank, there's no floating debris or scum. So everything is being treated in both ends of the tank, remarkably through the 4-inch opening with passive treatment passing through. Look at the treatment end of the tank, very low single-digit CBOD TSS, no doubt, and substantial amount of treatment, probably still single-digit in the trash tank side with passive treatment.